You discuss with Chen
Teacher,
En.
I feel like we only need 1 week off.
You only need 1 week off, ah? Okay, okay.
The subjects after the second week are not really important.
Also, you only need 13 off lah.
We need 12 off.
12 is
Eh,
Friday.
11.
13.
Eh,
Oh, October, ah. Sorry,
13
sorry,
is
sorry, sorry.
Friday.
Ah, okay, okay. 12,
We need
12,
11 off.
11 off. Okay. Only need 1 week,
Yeah,
11 off. Alright. Okay, you remind me
yeah.
nearer to the time.
Okay.
Okay, ah. Right, good. Yeah. Okay. You all come to consensus. 11 no class, that means no class. You tell your other teachers also. Okay? Alright. Okay, so just to update, now we are on we have done acid and bases. Okay, let's go through again. Acid is proton donor. Acid is acidic because there's a hydrogen ion that causes the pH to be very, very low. Okay, and then what is a proton? We've got through all this already. Bases are proton acceptors. Okay, and then what is a soluble base? A soluble base is alkali. Do you all remember? Okay, so we went through all that already. Okay, and then today we're gonna go through different, and then we did all the equations, right? Did we do all the equations? Acid and metal, salt and hydrogen. Did we do all the equations?
Yeah.
No, yes or no? Do you remember?
I think we done some of them, but not all.
Can you take a photo of your notes and send me the last? Okay. No, lah, I think I haven't taught you. Okay. So today I'm going to teach you all reactions of acid and reactions of alkalis.
Are you talking about the metal oxide and the metal
No,
hydroxide?
no, no. That means I ended here. I ended at this part. That was the last part I taught you. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you
Yeah.
the reactions of acid. Okay, so reactions of acid is very similar to what you learned last time. Okay, so acid plus metal, you get salt and hydrogen. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Huh? Okay, acid and base or alkali, or alkali base are, actually, or alkali base become salt and water. And then acid plus carbonate become salt, carbon dioxide, and water. Okay. So in order to do this, of course, you must remember everything that I've taught you previously. I hope you still have your list. Do you still have your list from last time? What list am I talking about? Okay, so we already know the three acids: hydrochloric, sulfuric, nitrate. Okay, so of course you need to know potassium, everybody in group 1, positive 1. Potassium, sodium, everybody in group 2, positive 2. Magnesium, calcium, everybody in group 3, positive 3. Aluminium, correct or not? Okay, and then transition metals, you need to remember there is iron 2, iron 3. Do you remember all this or not? Silver, copper, zinc. Can you remember all this? And then negative, chloride, sulfate, nitrate, oxide, carbonate. Does all of this look very familiar? Yes, I hope so. Okay, so let's try the first one. Acid and metal, salt and hydrogen. Okay, let's try this. So, for example, you can choose any of the three acids. You can choose uh, sulfuric, hydrochloric, or nitric. Okay, so for example, let's say we say sulfuric acid, sulfuric acid plus metal, let's say zinc. So what is a salt? A salt is you take the metal, become an ion. The sulfuric has SO4, so it becomes a sulfate. So it becomes zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. So this is where that you learned previously has to come back to you. You must remember from all last time. Okay? So you need to remember sulfuric acid is H2SO4. When the question just says zinc, it's just Zn. You cannot simply put 2 plus 1 plus all that. Okay, zinc sulfate. So then you must know zinc is 2 plus, sulfate is 2 negative. So ZnSO4. And then remember my list: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. Do you remember this? So hydrogen has to be H2. Is it balanced? Yeah. Okay, can you understand? Do you understand? Sounds familiar? Okay, write this down, please. And then we're going to try writing equations. Your favorite thing in the world, right? Yay! Equations. Hello. Okay, do you remember this? Okay, can you write it down? Okay, Ijo, you finished writing everything down?
No,
Huh?
I haven't. Wait.
Okay, okay. I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you. Yeah, so far, yeah, I was just recapping last week. And do you need a break during your exam? That's right. So they only need the 11th of October off. Okay, so most probably we'll just take that day. You all talk to your other teachers, okay, and then you all get a consensus that everybody on the same day, yeah. Okay. Sorry. All acids are aqueous. All metals are solid. When you take the solid metal and you add it into this acid, it will start to fizz, fizzing. The reason it's fizzing, bubbling, is because hydrogen gas comes out. So what you see is hydrogen gas. Okay, what you see is bubbling. Understand? And then what happens is when it dissolves, it becomes a salt solution. So your product is the aqueous. Get it? Now this is called state symbols. So when you write equation, I want you to learn how to write state symbols also. So this is word equation. Okay, this is word equation. This is chemical equation. And then if you write the state symbols, it's chemical equation with state symbols. So usually you write it at the side, but I know place to write, so I write it below. Can you understand? Okay, so I want you to do that for this. Yes. Okay, okay, go to more. Okay, do all except the last one. The last one, I will explain to you why. Okay? Ijo, you know what to do?
I'm doing already.
Okay, good. Okay, so this is zinc sulfate. The name you must get correct, and hydrogen. This one is zinc nitrate and hydrogen. Huh? Oh,
Teacher,
sorry,
is it
sorry, sorry.
magnesium
Magnesium. Yeah, yeah,
sulfate?
sorry, sorry. I was looking at the one above. Sorry, 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 sorry. And then this one is calcium chloride and hydrogen. And finally, this one, no reaction. I'll explain in a while. Okay. So to write the chemical equation, make sure your equation is balanced. Okay, this one is already balanced. Make sure your state symbol also correct. It's going to be used a lot. Okay, don't unbalance something that is balanced. Okay. All right, this one balanced too. Got it? Yeah. So it dissolves and it produces gas. So also balance it, put two here. All right, can you all understand? Okay, why sulfuric acid and copper no reaction? Because copper is a very unreactive. So copper, silver, gold, platinum, all these will not react with acid. Okay? Do not. No, it's metals. They're stable. React. But we don't call them stable. We call it unreactive. Okay, they do not react with acid. Can I understand?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, the rest of them. So now, let's do the second one. Okay, so this one, you must remember whether it's a solid. If it's a base, it's a solid. If it's an alkali, it's an aqueous. Do you remember who is alkali? Potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. These are all soluble. Okay, group 1 and uh, group 2. Can transition metal become aqueous? No. Okay, so generally group 1, group 2, they are soluble. Base is a metal oxide. They're all solids. Get it? Can? Okay. So this one, will you see any gas? No, it's salt and water. So the acid is an aqueous. The base will be a solid, the alkali will be an aqueous. The salt that is produced is an aqueous and water is a liquid. Okay, liquid because it's not dissolved in water, it's not a solution. Can you understand? It's just pure water. Pure water is a liquid. Can? Okay, let's try. Okay, you know what to do, ah? Okay. Can? Okay, do this after. Okay, liquid. Get it? Can see it not? Why? Eat your lunch lah, you're so hungry. Nitric acid. Why must you be until 3 o'clock? Just eat lah. I also eating lunch lah. Okay. Aqueous, solid, aqueous, liquid. Get it? Can? Okay. Okay, last one. Sun. Acid and carbonate, salt, carbon dioxide, and water. Now, what you must remember is acid is aqueous, carbonate is a solid. Okay, salt is aqueous, carbon dioxide is a gas, and water is a liquid. So again, when I do this experiment, if let's say this is hydrochloric acid, and I put calcium carbonate inside, okay, I will see the calcium carbonate dissolve because it forms salt, which is aqueous, and carbon dioxide. I will see bubbling or bubbles. Can you understand? Okay, so it's very important because later on you will need to write observations and so on. Okay, all right.
Oh shit, the new question.
Do you know what to do? Of course, ah. Okay, three only. All right. So your formulas have to be correct. And you must balance the equation. Okay? Correct? Good. Did you get this correct? Okay? Ijo, okay? You got it correct?
I forgot to balance.
Must remember to balance, okay? Okay, this one is a little bit different. Aluminium is 3 plus. Carbonate is 2 negative. Yes, I'm covered. Yes. Okay? Yes. Yes.
Is Ian there today?
Sorry, what?
Is Ian there today?
No, no, no. No, he's asking me whether Ian is here. That's it. Okay, how to balance? Okay, can?
Done. Yeah.
All right. Okay, so now for alkali is a little bit different. Alkali or base with the ammonium salt. What is the ammonium salt? Ammonium chloride, ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate. Ammonium is NH4 positive one. So ammonium salt is like ammonium chloride, like that, ammonium sulfate. So then you get a salt, water, and ammonia gas. Okay, so for example, sodium hydroxide plus ammonium chloride. Let's say, so my products are the salt is sodium chloride plus water plus ammonia.
Do
Get
we
it?
have to write this down?
Yeah lah, I know how you're gonna remember. I'll send this to you if you're in the car or something. The
No, I'm not.
sodium, okay, sodium hydroxide is an alkali. The ammonium salt usually is an aqueous solution also. Okay? So sodium chloride that is formed is also an aqueous solution. It dissolves in water, which is a liquid. The only thing special is ammonia is a gas. So ammonia gas is a very smelly gas. So you can actually smell a very smelly gas being released. Can you understand? Like urine like that. Urine just swallow it down. Mm, a little bit. Something like that. But smellier. It's a different kind of smell. Yeah. Because we have ammonia in the lab. In the lab, not here at school. I don't know here got or not. Okay, can you all do this? And then I want you to do these also. It's a mixture of everything. Chemistry must write chemical equation. 对不对？对不对？ If not do what? Okay, please try these equations. This one, the product is only one. Only ammonium chloride. It's a little bit different. Okay. This one no reaction, ah. This one got reaction. Silver, sulfate. Last don't simply everything also no reaction. The so this one if I'm using iron 3, then my product is iron 3 nitrate. Get it? Plus water. Aqueous. All the salts that you make here are all aqueous. Okay, can I discuss? Okay, okay, come on, come, come, come. Okay, so potassium hydroxide plus ammonium nitrate. Come on, come on. Potassium nitrate plus water plus ammonia. It's okay. It's just a little bit rusty. It's okay. Okay, wait. Let's balance it. It's already balanced. Don't unbalance it. Okay? So aqueous, liquid, gas. Okay? Sodium hydroxide, ammonium sulfate. Sodium sulfate plus water plus ammonia. Okay? This one need to balance. Two, and two water. Sulfate is SO4, 2 negative. Ammonium is S. Ui, don't make up your own theories. Aqueous, liquid, gas. Okay? 你看好好 what got. What do you mean, what's the point? So that you will know how much and how much react together. All of these salts are used in chemicals, especially fertilizers. This is the basics so that one day you can save the world, okay? This is the basics. You need all of this to save the world. All right? Guys, Superman and being influencer is not going to save the world. Science is going to help you save the world. Because Ag is 1 plus. So oxide is 2 negative. 记得吗？Is it balanced? Yeah. So this one is aqueous, solid, aqueous, liquid. Which one? Which one? No. Oh, there. Okay. Ijo, okay? Did you get it correct? Yeah? Okay, good. Iron 3 oxide is Fe2O3, yeah? Wrong already, sorry, wait. Yeah, that's mistake. Huh? And then 3. No. No, this is 6, right? No. 3. Sorry. 3. 3. Let's not like missing numbers like that. 3, 5, 10, 11, 12. Is that aqueous? Solid. Aqueous, liquid. And ammonia. Aqueous, gas. Aqueous. Okay? Okay. K2SO4. Aqueous, solid, aqueous, liquid, gas. Nine. Your brain is sick. Okay. Everybody okay? Okay, very good. Okay, now. Let's talk about oxides. No, it's a subtopic. This topic very long one, we'll never finish one. We'll finish in a long time. It's a very long topic. A subtopic. No. Oxide is quite short. Okay, now, I taught you already. Magnesium oxide is what? Acid base? Acid or base? Base. Okay? So it's a base because it's a metal oxide. Right. Do you know what is acid rain? Sulfur dioxide causes acid rain. Okay, so basically, this is a base, but this is acidic. Why? This is metal with oxygen, metal oxide. And this is a non-metal oxide. Get it? So non-metal oxides are acidic, but metal oxides are basic. That's a general rule. Okay? So those okay, so we have this general rule where okay, so there are four kinds of oxides. We have metal oxides, basic oxides. That means the basic oxide will react with what? Huh? We just learned. Will react with what? A basic oxide will react with acid. Base react with base. But acidic oxide will react with alkali. Get it or not? Is acid react with alkali or alkali react with alkali? Thank you. 什么讲什么打你啊 Okay, I must speak slowly. Acid react with what? Alkali. Okay, acid react with alkali. Can base react with alkali? Can base? No. So basic oxide. Okay, wait, 不要吵先，等一下。Okay. Okay, basic oxides are generally metal oxides. Okay? And then acidic oxides are generally non-metal oxides. Okay? So, base react with acid, don't react with alkali. 对吗?
Yes.
Okay. And then acidic don't react with acid, react with alkali. Correct or not? Okay. So if I want to neutralize acid rain, what do I use? I use alkali or I use acid to neutralize acid rain? Alkali. So examples of basic oxide is like I showed you just now, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide. Okay? Copper 2 oxide. These are metal oxides. Non-metal oxide is like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide. Sulfur dioxide can become sulfuric acid. Nitrogen dioxide can become nitric acid. Carbon dioxide can become carbonic acid. Get it or not? Okay? But do you know what's an amphibian? Yeah, correct. A frog can live on water and also live on land. Okay, so amphoteric oxide, they are special oxides that can react with both acid and alkali. You only need to remember two examples: aluminium oxide and zinc oxide. So that means if you want them to react with acid, can react with alkali, also can. Okay, neutral oxides are those that don't react with anything. Neutral. Who is neutral, which has the oxygen in it? Come on. A compound with oxygen in it, but it's neutral. CO2. Who's brain, guys? The most important thing in the world, the most neutral thing in the world. Come on. That has the oxygen in it.
Oxygen.
Compound.
Water.
Okay. Nitrogen dioxide will cause acid rain, but dinitrogen oxide will not. Dinitrogen oxide is what people use for laughing gas. When they want to go for surgery, they want to calm you down, they give you this one. You won't laugh but you feel calm. Okay? Imagine 那个人这样笨，他没有 order 这个，他 order 这个，那个人死到完。Okay? Another one is carbon monoxide. 这个呼吸进去没有这样快死，可是 acidic。这个吸进去 neutral，可是很快死。Yeah, understand? Okay, please write this down. Why? The CO will bind to your hemoglobin. Do you guys understand? Okay, so you need to remember how to do all of this. Okay, next week is going to be another layer. So you have to remember. You cannot like sort of remember, sort of cannot remember. You need to remember all of these charges, okay? Okay? Any questions? Okay, let me save this. Send you guys a copy, okay? Okay, Ijo,
Yeah.
you can go eat your lunch first, okay? We'll end here, alright? I
Okay.
see you next week. Bye-bye.